Hey everybody, in this video we're going to learn how to get a little bit of platform as a service going with a tool called Aptible. Okay, so I'm signed in, and as you can see I'm actually on a trial. So if you go to aptible.com, you can sign up for a free 30-day trial, and then after that, if you want to, you can pop in your credit card and use the environment. Now, first thing that I want to showcase here is if I go to stacks, notice how right off the bat, I have particular stacks available to me, okay? And what these stacks are, these are actually environments within AWS that I can utilize to deploy my application, okay? I can also create a new dedicated stack if I wanted to. It'll tell me, what regions I have available. It'll ask me, hey, what type of stack process do we want? Is it other? Is it financial data sensitive, PHI, etc.? And then it'll let me know how much it actually is, okay? But what we can do for the purposes of demoing, we can use a stack that already exists. So what I want to do is I'm going to go to environments and I'm going to click new environment, and then I'm going to choose what region I essentially want to use. So US East 1, because I'm on the East Coast, that makes sense. And then I'll go ahead and I'll give it a name. So I'll call it, Dev Stack 92. All right, and then at this point, we're gonna have to name our application. So our app that's running in our Dev Stack 92 environment. And we'll just call it Dev Stack App 92. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna click Create App, okay? So now at this point, what we need to do is I need to get one of my public SSH keys and pop it in here. All right, so this is my public SSH key that I have on my Mac currently, and I'll click Save Key. So then at this point, we have a couple of different options. We can either push our application that we've already written, or we can deploy a demo application, okay? So what I wanna do here really quick is I just wanna open up apps. And notice here how we do have the DevStack app currently running, but there's nothing running inside of it, okay? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click Deploy Demo App Template. And then what we can do is we can actually see the source code here. So if I go ahead and if I open that up, we can see that this is a demo app from Aptible that I can utilize to deploy an application here. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna copy these configurations here, and I'm going to open up VS Code. All right, and I'll just go ahead and I'll paste that in here, and we'll utilize the terminal. So first things first, what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to go into my Git repos directory, and then I am going to clone down the demo app, right? And then you'll CD into it, and you can see deploy demo app right here. Now what we want to do is we want to do git remote add Aptible. All right, and git push. All right, and as we can see, it's going to do a few different things here. It's going to deploy Aptible. You may need to utilize the Aptible CLI, or rather update it. In this case, looks like I didn't have to. And just like that, our demo application is officially deployed in our environment via Aptible.